In this video, you'll learn how to check the status of your Interac e-transfers using the Cibc mobile banking app. Whether you're waiting for a transfer to go through or simply want to keep track of your transactions, this quick guide will walk you through the entire process with ease. First, you'll want to log in to the Cibc mobile banking app. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be directed to the main dashboard of the app. From here, you'll need to access the navigation menu. It's located at the top left corner of your screen, indicated by a small menu icon. Give that a tap to open up the menu options. Next, from the list of available options, look for Interac e-transfer. Selecting this will direct you to the section dedicated to managing your e-transfers. It's a handy feature that allows you to handle everything related to your Interac e-transfers in one place. Once you're in the Interac e-transfer section, you'll want to tap on Status. This is where you'll find all the details regarding your current and past e-transfers. It's a straightforward way to monitor the status of your transactions, whether they are pending, completed, or failed. This is especially useful if you're trying to confirm whether a transfer has been received or if there's an issue with the transaction. If you notice a transaction that's still pending and you need to make changes or cancel it, you can do so by selecting Stop Transaction. This option allows you to manage your transfers efficiently, giving you control over your financial activities. It's a great tool for ensuring that your transfers are accurate and timely. You'll be able to see detailed information about each transaction, such as the amount, date, and status. This transparency helps you keep track of your finances and ensures that your money is where it needs to be. And there you have it. That's how you check the status of your Interac e-transfer in the Cibc mobile banking app. It's a simple yet effective way to stay on top of your transactions, ensuring peace of mind when managing your finances. By regularly checking your e-transfer status, you can prevent any potential issues and ensure your transfers are completed smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made it easier for you to navigate your e-transfers. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more banking tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.